This is a customized for Axis Precision CNC drilling machine with CC division positioning, specially developed for gear oil hole machining. For many precision gears, oil hole drilling is not as simple as it looks. Different gears have different tooth numbers, different structures, and different hole angles. The real challenge is how to achieve high-precision drilling efficiently without using expensive, dedicated fixtures. Based on the customer's machining requirements, we developed a customized solution. Instead of simply adding unnecessary functions, the machine uses a precision fourth axis with a slope reducer, achieving positioning accuracy up to plus or minus 20 arc seconds to ensure every hole is accurately positioned. In the center of the tooth gap, we integrated a CC division system for automatic alignment. This allows different gear models to be processed flexibly without complex positioning fixtures. For angled oil holes, we designed a quick changing positioning system to adjust machining angles easily, compared with adding a fifth axis. This solution provides better rigidity, higher stability, and a more cost-effective solution while meeting machining requirements. We also designed precision pneumatic clamping and reserved automation interfaces for future integration with gantry loaders or industrial robots. At Duomi CNC, we focus on understanding each other, customers' machining challenges, and developing the most suitable solution. From mechanical design process optimization to automation integration, we help customers achieve reliable, efficient, and cost-effective customized machining solutions. Now let's take a look at the actual machining performance.